So, I don't know if this is something you guys are interested in learning about, but I'll show you what I've been up to. I've been playing around with AI and imagery. Okay, and so I saw this ad, Regan Hillier. I don't know if you've seen her before. She's cool. I've listened to her stuff, her training ages ago, and yeah, she's really cool. So I saw this ad, and so I brought it into Canva, and I removed the text. So I've got this. Okay, so I use this as a base image, and I brought it over into Leonardo AI, and I've respun the image. So you can use image generation from a default image. So I brought it into here, and then you can use image as a reference. So I pretty much just said, use Regan Hillier, the image, this one, right, as a reference, and put her on the beach. And this is what I got. It's pretty cool. So I used other images of her, and I said, just put her in a gold dress with a blue and gold background. It's pretty good. The quality is pretty good. Like, check it out. So you probably think, oh, well, what's the point of that, right? How could you use that? Well, not in this particular instance, but in some instances, you could use that to get around copyright. Probably not of a well-known person though, right? So I'll give you another example though. So here's another one. Here's another example. Here's an image of a product. Okay, like on an ebook cover. So I pulled that image in, and I respun that image, and I used it as a base for the style, and rendered these ones. You see that? So it's not bad. You can set your own dimensions, your own image, style. So here's the original, right? Took that original and respun it to that. This is using another layer, so there's other things you can do. So you can program in your own faces if you wanted to, and use your own face as a reference. And you can cross-reference two different images, but that's a whole other thing. But this is what I've been up to, and so the reason for this though is so that you can get around the copyright. So if you see an image that's out there and you want to use it for your ebook, you can just bring the image in and the style and spin it. You could even potentially just get a nicer image. So that's really cool, something to think about when you're doing product design or imagery for ebooks and things like that. Okay, so if anyone's interested in this, let me know, because I could end up creating a tutorial for this and adding it into my my tutorials. Okay, cool.